In this video, we are going to fix Windows Update error code 0x80072f8f in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you can do is that you need to proceed to the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open a small window called Run. Here, please type for inetcpl.cpl and click on the OK button to continue. Once you have bring up the internet properties, you need to navigate to the option called Advanced. Click in here. And under the Advanced, you need to scroll down and find for the category which is the security. So under the security, see this check for publisher certificate for revocation. Please uncheck it. And the second, which is check for server certificate revocation. Uncheck it and click on apply and then click on OK. Once done, check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the next solution. The next solution would be you need to navigate here at the search box, type for panel. Once you've typed it, wait until you can see a best match, which is the control panel system. And once it's here, please navigate to the right side. There you can see open option. Click in here and then wait until you can open the control panel window itself. Once you have opened the control panel, you need to change the view like this first. So navigate here at the view by click on this down arrow key and set it into large icons. Once changed, you need to find for date and time. In my case, it is being placed here at the fifth column. Click and hit. Once you have opened the date and time window, proceed to internet time. There you can see change the settings. Click on it. And then here, you need to ensure that the box here is checked, which is synchronized with an internet time server. And under the server, it must be set into timewindows.com. Once you're good, click on OK and click on OK. And then you can now change the view back into category, close this window, and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, check if the problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.